This is my review of the syma S111G remote controlled helicopter. It is an indoor remote controlled helicopter, as if you take it outside, even the slightest gust of wind will affect it quite a lot because it is only small. It comes well packaged in a box. It's secure when you get it, and it has a nice carry handle if you want to take it somewhere, so it's easier to transport around. In the box you get a very good instruction manual, do's, don'ts, how-tos, which is very good. You also get a replacement rear tail rotor and a USB charging lead. You can also charge it using the controller, so you pull down here and there's a charging inside there that uses power from the batteries inside the controller. The batteries inside the controller, to get to them you need a screwdriver, and you undo this screw here. Bear with. And it takes 6 AA batteries. If you're not going to be using the controller to charge the helicopter, then cheap batteries that you can get from Poundland for 12 for a pound will last quite a while. I've had these in here for quite a long time. It has a trim setting on the controller, so left and right accordingly to which way the helicopter is turning in flight. You have the throttle on the left, then you have forwards, backwards, left and right on the right. On the helicopter you've got balance bar, 2 sets of rotors, one going one direction, one going the other, the rear rotor for forwards and backwards movement, the power switch, which is just here, and the charging port, which is just in front of the power switch. It's a very robust helicopter. I've taken this to school and it's had things thrown at it and it still works fine. I wouldn't advise taking it to school with you though. So, yep. Now I'll show you it flying. It has flashing LEDs on the front and on the back as well. So, yep. So, flying. So it's very easy to control, and with the flashing lights in a dark room it does look pretty awesome. So if you're looking for a small indoor remote controlled helicopter, I really would recommend getting one of these. Thanks for watching.